A Malaysian man on death row in Singapore has denied writing articles published in the Malaysian media. Singapore prisons said they are aware of the alleged offence and investigations are ongoing.
Now, according to the authority, someone else had written the articles and published them under Pannir Selvam's name. It said this appears to be part of an orchestrated campaign to put pressure on the Singapore government.
Pannir is on death row for drug trafficking offences, but he was granted a stay of execution in May, a day before he was due to face the gallows.